Yeah, G money rise, G money rise. Yeah, can't slow down, might get a speed ticket. G money rise, known for popping Wheelies. Cops pull me over, then they let me go. Catch me if you can, or eat my dust, bro. G money rise, G money rise, G.
Nice fastback. Beautiful car, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. The other way. Holy shit! Are you kidding me? She was looking the other way. Holy fucking shit! Woo! Did you see the dirty look she gave me? Holy crap! That was awesome! I don't know, I just had that feeling. Had that spidey sense working for me, I guess. Hey y'all, so I'm off work Friday morning, and this is what I got. It's just absolutely pouring out. Has been pretty much since I got off work at 7 a.m. It is now 10 a.m. But, you know, one of the things you can do when the weather is like this is you can go do maintenance. So I just popped out and did thorough chain maintenance on Candy, and she loved it. I went so far as to pop the front sprocket cover off. and clean in there as well. It was pretty nasty. So just a tip for y'all, you know, when you can't ride, you can at least go out and do a little maintenance, do a little something. Get to touch her, get to look at her. All right. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.